Welcome back, gentlemen. Today, we'll be delving into some crucial men's health tips for those aged 30 and beyond. As you grow older, taking care of ourselves becomes increasingly important. Hi there, and welcome to the Master Vitality series for another new installment on staying fit and healthy. At Master Vitality, we offer virtual consultations to bring our clients back their youth and vitality. But if you're looking for face-to-face consultation and rejuvenation services, be sure to visit our brick and mortar business, Blue Indigo Spa and Wellness, located in Valrico, Florida. It's about a 30-minute drive from beautiful downtown Tampa Bay, Florida. My name is Dr. Keith Tong, and in this video, we're going to explore in detail some valuable tips that can help us stay healthy and thriving throughout the years for all you men out there. First up, let's talk about diet and nutrition, the foundation of good health. In our 30s and beyond, our metabolism may slow down, making it essential to maintain a balanced diet to support our overall well-being. Focus on incorporating plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins into your meals. These nutrient-dense foods provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to keep your body functioning optimally. Aim to limit processed foods, excessive sugars, and unhealthy fats, which can contribute to weight gain and various health issues. Staying hydrated is also paramount, so be sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Water aids in digestion, helps regulate body temperatures, and support overall organ function. Now, let's dive into the importance of regular exercise for men over 30. Physical activity is not just for the younger crowd, it's vital for your well-being, particularly as we age. Engaging in regular exercise helps maintain muscle mass, bone density, and cardiovascular sleep. It also promotes better sleep, reduces stress, and boosts mood and cognitive function. Find activities that you enjoy, whether it's jogging, cycling, swimming, weight training, or playing sports. Incorporate a mix of cardiovascular exercises, strength training, and flexibility exercises like stretching or yoga. Remember, consistency is key. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity exercise per week, spread out over several days. Don't forget to warm up before exercising and cool down after to prevent injuries. If you have any health concerns or are starting a new exercise routine, consider consulting with your fitness professional or a healthcare provider to ensure it's safe and suitable for your specific needs. Gentlemen, one of the most crucial aspects of maintaining good health is through regular checkups with your healthcare provider. As we age, we become more susceptible to certain health conditions, and early detection is paramount in timely interventions and treatment. Schedule routine visits to monitor your blood pressure, cholesterol levels, blood sugar, and overall health. Your doctor can provide personalized advice based on your medical history, family history, and risk factors, helping you stay on top of your well-being. In addition to regular checkups, don't neglect important health screening for conditions like prostate cancer, colorectal cancer, and heart disease. Being proactive in managing your health can significantly impact your long-term well-being. Taking care of your mental health is just as important as your physical health. Stress, anxiety, and depression can affect us all, and it's crucial to address these issues to maintain overall well-being. Make time for relaxation and activities you enjoy, as they can help reduce stress levels. Whether it's reading, spending time in nature, pursuing hobbies, or practicing mindfulness or meditation, find what works best for you to unwind and recharge. Don't hesitate to seek support from friends, families, or a mental health professional if you experience persistent feeling of anxiety or sadness. Talking to someone and seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Lastly, let's discuss some lifestyle habits that can significantly impact our health after 30. First and foremost, if you smoke, make every effort to quit. Smoking can have severe health consequences, including an increased risk of lung cancer, heart diseases, and respiratory illnesses. Seek support for cessation programs medication, or counseling if needed. Additionally, moderate your alcohol intake as excess alcohol drinking can harm your liver, heart, and overall health. Aim to limit alcohol consumption to no more than 2 drinks per day for men. Sleep is another crucial aspect of our well-being. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your body to recharge and function optimally. Proper sleep enhances cognitive function, mood, and physical performance. In conclusion, gentlemen, taking care of our health after the age of 30 is an investment in our future well-being. By making informed choices and adopting healthy habits, we can lead fulfilling and active lives well into our later years. For further assistance and to initiate a discussion, please don't hesitate to contact us. You can find the necessary information in the description box to schedule a consultation with our team. We are readily available and eager to provide support. If you prefer an in-person experience, we look forward to welcoming you to Blue Indigo Spa and Wellness. Alternatively, you can opt for a remote session through our Master Vitality program, enjoying the convenience of accessing it from the comfort of your own home. Start by booking an initial consultation to see if we are the right fit to meet your health goals and needs. Both options are equally effective in promoting your well-being. Additionally, have you had the chance to try the tea, a revitalizing beverage that infuses vitality into your life? This tea will help you lose those unwanted pounds. It will bring back your youth and vitality and eliminate those unwanted toxins in a gentle and loving way. Place your order today by clicking the link below. We value your feedback on this subject, so please feel free to leave a comment. Additionally, if you have any other topics you'd like us to discuss, kindly share them in the comment box. Finally, remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and tricks on staying fit and healthy. And if you think you know someone that will benefit from this video, please share it with your friends and family. This will really help us get the message out quicker. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found today's video helpful and insightful. Remember to take care of yourself and prioritize your health. Until next time, stay healthy, happy, and here's to a life of wellness.